Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn what is callback function, what is promise function in JS with examples. So let's get started. First we will create a variable using the keyword demo equal to. We will create array of an object name John, John, then age will be 30 and profile will be QA. QA. Okay, next. To create another object, we will give a comma, name, John, Johnny. Anything you can give as per your requirement, comma, age, 35. There is something wrong. You have to give comma, not semicolon here. Okay. Next, profile, QA. Okay. Now I've created two objects here. Next, we will create a function. Function name will be test1. Here we will use setTimeout function to show some data after some particular after some particular of time. So we will use setTimeout function. Here you can just I will type setTimeout. Timeout. There's something must have things. Use this set time out. Okay. Set timeout. Here we have to give the second, means after how many seconds the text will be shown or that data will be shown. So here we will give 1000. It will be 1 second. Let me correct this function once again. Set time out. Then this and this. And, this is known as arrow function. The sign is known as arrow function. And this is we are using set timeout function here. Here we have to give a second, so we will use. Suppose we have to show some text after 1 or 2 seconds. So based on that, you can change it here. If you want to show after 2 seconds or 3 seconds or 5 seconds, then you can simply change it here. Next, I will use for loop to show this data. For to use this, we have to give demo dot for each for each for each loop. Then for each loop, okay. Then in this we have to pass to parameter data comma index. If we will not give index, then what will happen? Let's see. Data, then this okay. Since I've written a data, then here I will create one variable let output. let output equal to plus means empty string. Then we will create output. We will use this output plus equal to. You can write this plus equal to. Then we will use template literal div slash div slash div. Then if we want to use some name or some element here, for example, I want to give means that index name or something like that, then we have to use dollar that this function name here because all the data has come here. So data dot name, name. And here if I will write this output here, did we get any data? So result output. So console dot document dot body dot inner html equal to output. Okay, so let's see the output. That's almost right. Let's getting this data. As you can see, we are not getting any data here. There is some error. Let's fix it. Document dot data html will be in caps. Okay, now try to print out. Yeah. As you can see, we have get only one data. So to resolve this, we will write this variable outside the for each loop and we will print this value outside the for each loop. Here. If we will write let output here, then we will get one error. Let's see that error. You can see output is not defined because we have defined this variable inside the for each loop and we are calling that function that variable outside the for each loop. So for that we are getting the undefined error. To resolve this, simply paste this variable output outside the for each loop. Next, I think now we will get the value. You can see we get the data. Next, I will create one more function. Function name will be test2. Test2 test2 I will simply put here a new data parameter. Then I will write demo dot. So this value will push the new data value, new data, new data. There is something wrong, I think. We have to write set timeout function. Set timeout function. Timeout function. Here we will write demo dot push push create new data simply new data. That's how. Then yeah, they have to pass the value here. We have to give a second. Always remember, while creating a set timeout function, we have to give a particular time here. Object, simply copy this and paste it. Change the name. Then let's see the output. Sorry. You can see we only get the John and Johnny, but the last data we didn't get here. So we can also solve this by increasing the second, because right now the we have given the same time for both the function. So first here what's happening, it will just print this function here, and after that this function get this function is running at the time within 1 second, and 1 second in 1 second it get disappear. If we write 2 second here, and then we will check, so we will get the three data: John, Johnny, and last name. So the basic reason was, if we are giving the same second to both the functions, so it's just running this function, and after that it's not coming to this function, last function. But if we give 2 second and then we try to show this data, then it will show. Otherwise, we have to increase the set timeout function. To there is another way to resolve this, that is callback function. We can use callback function and show the data. Even the means what we can say. Even the set timeout function is same. Set timeout second is same. Okay. So to use callback, we have to give here a callback, and here we have to give function name, that is test. Okay, and here we will call that callback function. Yeah, you can see it here. If we will not use callback function and we use particular period of time for both the means we use same period of time for both the function, then it will not run the second function. But if we use callback function, then it will consider both the function. Can we do this one? Just command result. Now we will run what is promise. So let's say the promise example. This is a callback function example here. Example. And now we will learn promise. Promise function example. So basically, what is a promise? Promise is a promise which we make with something or someone. For example, I have promised that for example, I promise that I will complete this work by 10 a.m. or 12 a.m. So 10 a.m. or 12 a.m. So if from that I will complete some work at 10 a.m. So in this scenario, if if I will complete if I will complete if I will complete this work at 10 a.m., then it will goes under resolve if uh, if I will complete this function this stay but this promise if I will complete the work at 10 a.m. then it will goes under resolve. Otherwise, it will reject that. Else, it will reject the function. Else it will reject. Okay. So basically, promise consists of two parameters. First one is resolve, and second one is reject. To show resolve data, we will use then. If to show reject data, we will use catch. So let's take the example here. Reject. Okay. Sorry, I'm frozen. Let demo. So just copy this one. Should I copy or write it? Write it. Let demo 2 equal to name Jhansi, age, 32. I will write another question. Name, that's me. My age, 41. Age, 31. I will create a function, sorry. Function, test, 3, same set timeout function, set timeout. Here we have to give the conditions. We'll give 2000. Okay, 2000. Then this is done. This is done. Set timeout. Here we will give for each loop demo dot for each loop for each loop pass to data that is data. Okay, next I will use this output. First we have to create a variable here. Let output equal to empty. Then we will print output less equal to uh, template literal div slash div div and here curly bracket data dot name. Okay. Next, the system create another function. Function test or return return new promise set timeout new data. Okay, new data then dot demo2 demo2 dot push new data. Time 1000. Okay. Let error equal to false. So if not error, then it will print resolve. Else, it will print reject. Reject. Wait. Here, I will call that function name guinea guinea image setup 3 then dot and then if it will pass this condition then it will goes in resolve to print resolve we have to use then and to print reject we will use catch. So then if it pass then we will print the test3 data test3. If it will fail then we will pass the catch. So to get the catch error equal to console.log console.log er. Let's see if we get something like this. I thought I would get an error. S4, S3, catch. Catch, catch, catch. Let's try this. If it will fail, then what will we get? Okay. Which first I will comment this out. Okay. Not printed the value. Output. Document dot body dot inner HTML equal to output. Now we get the value. Okay. If in promise as well, if we have same particular of time, Then also it will show the data. Yeah, true. Failed. Okay. You can say it here. Failed. We got this reject error. So this is done. Next is async and await. Async and await function. Asynchronous means it will run the function. It will work in non-sequence manner. So let's use async function. Function name will be test5. Test5. Then just give this one and this as usual the function we create. Then we will use await. Await. Test4. Just copy this one. We create some new function. Let me try this one. Let us paste it. Just copy this and paste it here. Okay. Here's something error. I can now. Wait, test4. Then test4. Sync await. Test5. Comment this one. No, we can't comment this one. You can see. Let's try this one. Okay, so we get one more data added here. Always remember, await is only work with async. It will remove it. We got the error. Await is only valid in asynchronous function and the top level body of our modules. Async. Okay, so what we have learned in this video, we have learned callback function, promises, and async and await. The one common thing in this is if we use means promise, callback, or asynchronous, then it will show the another function variable if we have the same particular time as on that function as well. For example, as you can see here in the callback function, I've shown that if we have similar period of time for both the function, then it will just run the first function, and after that it will means we have given a 1 second, so within 1 second it will show the this data, and after that it will close this function. So to resolve this, we have used callback, promise, and async and await. Hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe.